Are you hopeful? How hopeful are you? Considering the track record sa COMELEC.
Well, again, yung Supreme Court kasi ibang bagay yun eh, no? So the Supreme Court will review the COMELEC, no? And usually kasi yung Supreme Court pag COMELEC medyo mas masusi sila doon eh kasi siyempre eleksyon ang pinag-uusapan, no? So they're a bit more strict siguro, if I may call it that, no? So let's just say I'm cautiously optimistic. Let's just put it that way. Ang issue lang po sa cancellation, isa lang po ang issue sa cancellation.
Okay.
Meron po bang hindi totoo doon sa sinabi niya? Yun lang po yun. That's the only issue in a cancellation case. Material misrepresentation.
So yun yung issue lang
And,
dyan, yung conviction niya for tax dodging.
Dalawang item yung sinabi namin na hindi totoo doon sa kanyang certificate, no? One is what we call item 11, which is contained in the certificate itself that says I am eligible for the office that I am running for. The second is box 22, which requires a yes or no answer. In that yes or no answer, nakalagay lang doon, have you been convicted of a crime that involves perpetual disqualification? Ang sagot na doon, no. At dahil nga may conviction siya na malinaw, final yon, regardless of the penalty, regardless of the nature of the offense, may conviction siya, and the conviction under the tax code, no, na
Naghang.
Oh, yeah.
Naghang ba
Sir,
o yung computer
can you
ko
hear us?
naghang? Naghang siya.
Yeah.
Pero yun yung yun yung automatic disqualification, yun ang pinag-argumentohan, di ba?
Yeah. Whether he's been convicted of a crime that would involve perpetual disqualification.
Yes, yun ang sinasabi nung kabila na hindi daw automatic yun. Di ba?
Yeah. And also,
Ayan. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hi, sir.
Attorney,
Hi,
yes.
sir. Welcome back, sir.
Sorry, nag-fluctuate yung internet.
It's okay, sir.
Okay.
It's good to have you
Okay.
back.
Okay,
I'm
yung
not sure where I was.
Yes, sir.
Yung
I'm not sure where
second-
I was when I was.
Sir, you were talking about box 22.
Yung second item po.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Box
Yung
22.
box 22 po, nakalagay po doon sa box 22, yes or no lang po siya. Have you been convicted of any offense that involves the accessory penalty of perpetual disqualification? Sa ilalim ng NIRC, which was the basis for his conviction in the RTC and the Court of Appeals, automatic po yung perpetual disqualification upon any conviction. Kaya ang sinasabi namin, yung sagot niya doon na no ay hindi totoo. Dahil ang sagot niya sa no ay hindi totoo, hindi na rin totoo yung item 11 niya na eligible siya di umano to run. So yun po yung dalawang punto doon sa certificate, on the face of the certificate that we're saying are not true. And therefore, they fall under material misrepresentation and which are grounds for cancellation. Now, the COMELEC did not agree with our argument, so we are raising it up to the Supreme Court to let the Supreme Court decide.
You're asking for TRO. Gaano kabilis, hindi naman kailangan humingi ng sagot dyan yung Supreme Court, no? How fast can they issue a TRO sa Congress canvassing for the presidential race?
Mabilis kung gusto talaga nila. Again, no, if the case has already been raffled to someone and the justice in charge recommends a TRO, then it can actually issue immediately a TRO. You are correct. They do not need a comment from the Solicitor General.
Yes.
So it can be issued as soon as possible.
Yes. Pero yung main petition, hihingi yan ng sagot sa kabila at sasagutin kayo, tapos hihingi na naman ba sa kabila? Gaano kabilis yun? Kung priority siya, anong shortest period for that?
Again, the court has the discretion to impose, to require a period, no, require a comment within a period. Usually, ang ginagawa nila pag urgent, no, ginagawa nilang inextendable yung period, tapos ginagawa nila the shortest possible. So, anywhere from 10 to 15 days, yan ang bibigay nila. Tapos gagawin nilang inextendable. Although, there are times na they require a shorter period. Pero, again, depende kasi yun sa recommendation ng justice in charge. Pero usually, pag urgent talaga at may time period na hinahabol, ginagawa ng korte minsan, inextendable yung period para kailangan ma-file within that period.
10 to 15 working days.
10 to 15 days po.
Working days.
Calendar po. Calendar.
Okay.
Calendar.
Kasi tinatanong
Calendar.
ko because I want to know kung posibleng magkaroon ng order before noon of June 30.
Well, on the decision itself, on the merits
On the
itself.
decision, no? Kasi a-appeal pa naman yun eh. Kahit yung first yung first ruling.
Yung TRO. Again, the TRO, that can be issued anytime if the court wants. And so we are basically just waiting. Kung
No,
if the court
yung
wants
main
to issue.
petition. Yung main petition. Kasi pag pinagbigyan kayo, maa-appeal yan, di ba? Pwedeng mag-MR dyan yung kabila.
Pwede mag-MR, yes, oo. Again, it's hard for me to pin it down, Ami, in terms of number of days eh. Kasi may discretion talaga yung court to either shorten or lengthen the periods, no? So typically, comment, let's say, sabihin mo na 10 days, no? 10 days inextendable. So kung mag-require siya na 10 days, we don't know if it has issued an order already. So let's say May 18, sabihin mo na 10 days, so May 28, no? And then the court, for example, considers the petition. Now, if the court does not want to set it for oral argument, then the court can already start writing the decision. Pero may option pa rin for the court to consider it on oral argument. We don't know. So yun po yung mga variables that go in. So I don't know, if I can, for example, say, lalabas ba ang decision bago mag June 30? We're hoping. But again, it's not within our control.